driving back to our campsite, and we decided to go up this Paradise Road to check out this little trail around Reflection Lake. But when we got back to our car, we just ended up being in fog. We decided to just hit back, go to our campsite. Tomorrow we're supposed to be going backpacking and into Mount Rainier on the Wonderland Trail. We're hoping it'll be cleared up by then, but right now it's all fogged up. It's crazy. What do you think?
We just hiked for about an hour and a half on the, what was it called?
Reflection Lake.
Reflection Lake. It's really fun.
You gotta do that, babe.
It's dark.
You gotta keep it at one level the whole time. Or it's gonna
Look, you can't even see me.
There you go. Okay, never mind. So that's our hanging lantern. We're getting our stuff for backpacking tomorrow. So that's her backpack right there. That's her backpack. We got some other stuff. We're gonna pack in tomorrow for a backpacking trip, but right now this is just like our car camping setup at the campsite. So yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. We'll get back to you in the morning. So we're about to start our backpacking trip in Mount Rainier to George Lake. We had to park at this gravel road because the road is closed up ahead. So we're gonna hike up on this gravel road for a little bit and then make our trip out. Alright, homies, so we've been hiking up so far about almost a mile now up this gravel road that they closed off. And we're almost to the lake, but check this out. We passed by this little creek behind us. How you feeling?
Good.
Are you dying yet?
No.
Okay guys, we're about halfway up the trail over here, and it's probably hard to tell in the camera, but we've been steadily going uphill on an incline. We're gonna hit up about 4,000 feet. We started from about 2,000. And normally a trail like this on a wide gravel road with a steady incline we could probably do easily on a hike, but we're each carrying some weight. She's probably carrying about almost 20 pounds and I'm carrying about 45. So it's making the hike a little bit more rougher than normal. The tip is drink plenty of water. We're sweating as we go, and I even got some electrolyte gel tabs that we ate up as we were coming up. Because, you know, with the sweat, you're just sweating it all out. So, do you have any advice?
Stay strong, don't give up, and you'll make it there, and it's going to be awesome.
Yeah, I'll come back when she's huffing and puffing. Now, in case you're wondering, we got rain covers on both of our packs. We're doing that because right now, at the ranger station, the guy said that there is a chance of rain today. And we just didn't want to take any chances of it raining while we're hiking and trying to take out the rain cover and putting it on. So we have it on right now on our backpacks, and then we got our rain jackets within easy reach on the top of our pack. So we're hoping it doesn't rain. I see the rain clouds moving in, and right there, fingers crossed. Alright, so you're probably wondering why we're walking up this road, this gravel road, instead of driving it up. Well, they closed this road because there's flood damage and there's flood warnings on this road, so.
But it seems extremely dry right now, I'd like to say.
Yeah, but, you know, it is what it is. The only time we saw a car go up this road was the ranger, who was going up to a ranger station that's up at the end over here. So, aside from that, everyone else has to walk it. There's where we're gonna set up our tent. There's the lake. We're gonna hike down to the lake later on. And that's it. So we got a tent set up. Now we're gonna head down to the lake right down there. Peace. Site comes with a restroom. If you don't want to be covered and you want to poop in nature, like completely open, then they got this right here. You know, if you feel like pooping at a slant, that's right there. So here is our lunch setup. What are you having today, Katie?
Beef stroganoff.
Beef stroganoff.
I'm so excited.
That looks so good.
Yeah.
Gonna have the Southwestern style masala. We use the platypus filtration system, and there's a little glimpse of the lake. I believe going from our campsite to the lookout tower is about 1,500 feet incline in a mile and a half. So it's every 10th of a mile we're climbing 100 feet. Pain in the ass. And there's switchbacks left and right. We'll get there. There it is. That's where we're headed right there. Gobbler's Knob Lookout Tower. Almost there, baby. Beds, there's a stove. So just to give you an idea, we're not all the way down, but that lookout tower up there is where we hiked to. Right there. That's Gobbler's Knob right there. And we finally made it down here. We still got more descent to go, but that is essentially where we hiked to. Alright, so packed up, heading down. It should be all downhill from here, so it should be relatively easy hike. One thing about going downhill is remember to let the gravity, when it works on you, to pull you down, just to go down with it, not to fight it too much because you'll bust your knees. So just kind of like let your legs act as a spring, absorb the impact, and then keep going down. And that's it right now. Since it's not going to rain, we have our packs not covered with the rain cover, so yeah, so we're just carrying it down like this. And then of course we got our trash packed out. Leave no trace. Pack out your trash. I will see you later. Come on, fella. Folks, we've made it back. to our truck. That means it's time to take off our bags. How's that feel?
Feels so good. Feels so good.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh man. There you go. So now, what we're gonna do is head out to a restaurant, get something nice and heavy and juicy to eat, and enjoy the rest of the day and relax. All right. Till our next adventure.